Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free LITECOIN directly to your faucetpay account, and when you reach the minimum of faucetpay you'll be sending all your earnings directly to your Trustwallet account or any cryptocurrency wallet in which you make use of. So guys, to know about this, please make sure to watch this video till the end, so that I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can achieve that. So guys, do well to follow this video till the end. So guys, the link to this site is going to be left in the description box down below. When you just tap on the description box down below, you are going to be getting the link to this site. So guys, when you tap on the link, it's going to be bringing you directly to this page, which is over here, as you can see. And in this place over here, you are going to be seeing this tool, which is over here, which says sign up and sign in. So guys, first time using this site, as this is your first time using the site, all you need to do is to tap on this sign up button, which is over here, as you can see it. When you tap on the sign up button, it's going to be telling you to input your information. As you can see over here, it says only gmail.com is allowed for new registration. So guys, you are going to be using a Gmail. Now all you need to do is to enter your email address over here, enter your password, then you repeat your password again. So after that is done, you scroll down and complete this captcha which says I'm not a robot. Then you go ahead and click on create account. So guys, when your account is finally and successfully created, a verification code is going to be sent to your email address. So guys, you are going to go to your email and verify your registration. So after your verification, your account is going to be finally and fully set up. So after that is done, you go ahead and log into your account. So guys, when you want to log in, all you need to do is to just input your email address and your password. Then you scroll down and verify that you are human by doing this verification over here. Then after that is done, you go ahead to log in. So the verification, you're going to be verifying that you're human, and as you can see over here, select images with crosswalk. I'm going to be selecting them. So guys, after you've been verified, you go ahead and click on the login. And when you click on login, you're going to be successfully logged in into your account. So guys, as you can see over here, this is my account over here. As I've been using this account for some time now, and it has been really paying me. So guys, as you can see over here, this is my balance. As you can see here, this is my remaining balance on this site, 858,000 coins. So guys, as you can see, I also have up to 27 referrals which I've been earning commission from. So guys, you can also earn this for yourself. Now all you need to do to start earning is to go over here, these three lines which is at the top right corner of your screen. When you click on it, you're going to be seeing some earning ways to earn. As you can see over here, all you need to do is to tap on earnings, which is over here. And when you tap on earnings, first of all, as you can see over here, we have several ways to earn. As you can see over here, claim faucet, auto faucet, paid faucet, achievement, and buy lottery. So guys, first of all, we're going to be going to the claim faucet. Now when you click on claim faucet, you're going to be claiming a faucet for some time as we let this load. So guys, on the short link, as you can see, on the faucet, as you can see over here, our timer is ready and we have one faucet to claim. So guys, all you need to do when you scroll down, you're going to be completing this anti-bot link, which is over here. So we're going to be doing this. As you can see, correctly complete anti-bot links for claim. So I'm going to be doing it. As you can see, it's over here, 1+2, which is I'm going to be doing it 513. So after that is done, you come ahead to verify you are not a robot. And when you click on it, it's going to be verifying. As you can see, click on the traffic lights. Let's keep. As you can see over here, we have been successfully verified. Then you come over here and click on collect reward. And when you click on collect reward, guys, your reward is going to be allocated to you. So guys, as you can see, we just earned 100,000 coins, and we're going to be doing this again every 2 minutes. As you can see, the timer is already counting. We're going to be doing this every 2 minutes. So guys, every 2 minutes you're going to be earning 100,000 coins from this faucet. So when you go to auto faucets, the same thing. And for PTC ads, you're going to be visiting some sites, you're going to be viewing some ads in order to earn on this site. As you can see, for now I don't have any available ads to view. So guys, you can also earn from the short links, which is over here. And when you click on short links, you are going to also be viewing some ads to also earn. As you can see, this is the total reward for 30 ads. As you can see, this is the total reward, and they are going to be viewing some ads over here, over 30 ads, to earn a total of 18 million coins in reward. So guys, this is how you can earn on this site. And also, to also increase your earnings, all you need to do, when you go back to your dashboard, you are going to be seeing this over here, which says referrals. So guys, share your referral links and get 30% commission. So when this, as you can see over here, this is my referral link. So when you share your referral link to your friends and your relative and your loved ones, and they also use your link to register, you're going to be earning 30% commission from their earnings whenever they are earning. So guys, as you can see over here, this is my balance, and I'm going to be going to the withdrawal section to see how the withdrawal is going to be. So all you need to do is to tap on the withdraw, which is over here. And when you click on withdraw, it's going to be redirected to the site, to the page for withdrawal. So guys, as you can see over here, you can withdraw to either faucetpay, Coinbase, or Binance. So guys, all you need to do is to come over here. As you can see here, all you need to do is to come over here and tap on select to select the wallet in which you want to use. But for the sake of this video, we are going to be using our faucetpay. As you can see over here, now you tap on faucetpay, select the coins by tapping here. And for the purpose of this video, we are doing it for LITECOIN. As you can see, this site is for earning LITECOIN. So guys, tap on LITECOIN. So this is the total amount of coins I have, as you can see over here. So for faucetpay has no minimum withdrawal. For Coinbase, you need over 3 million coins before you can withdraw, and for Binance you need over millions of coins to withdraw. So guys, as we are using our faucetpay, all you need to do is to come over here and input your faucetpay email address. So you are going to be withdrawing them to your faucetpay. Now after that is done, this is the amount of coins in which we are going to be receiving. As you can see over here, 958 Satoshi of LITECOIN. So all you need to do is to come over here and click on withdraw, which is over here. And when you click on withdraw, guys, I'm going to be seeing this. As you can see over here, so as you can see, guys, good job, our earnings has been sent to our faucetpay account. So guys, this is our faucetpay account, and we're going to be checking if our withdrawal has successfully arrived. So guys, as you can see, this is our earnings, which have successfully arrived. And so guys, this is how you can earn free Litecoin directly to your faucetpay on this site without any investment. So guys, if you don't know how to withdraw your earnings from faucetpay, I'm going to leave a link to the video in which I explained step by step on how to do that. I'm going to be leaving the link to the video in the description box below. So go over there, tap on the link, watch the video, and you're going to know how to send your earnings to your Trustwallet account with ease. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video and you like what we'll be doing on this channel, we're going out there looking for updates, coming down here, bringing them to you so you too can also earn with us. Please and please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be the first to be notified on it. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.